Well, we're going to do some roll crimping. And we got a few tools here to show you how it works. We got the standard 1/4" drill, and it's running clockwise. These are set up to run clockwise. There's a little pin in there. As this spins, it's going to heat up the plastic. And that's what we want to do. We want to make it malleable. If you use a drill press, that works good too. But I find these are very handy and portable. Another tool you're going to have is a little hull vise. Put the load in there. So we put together out of our fine loading block, which prevents me from knocking everything over and spilling it. So you put it together, the loads together, and we drop in our clear overshot. Now, the advantage of a clear overshot is once you roll crimp, you can see what's inside the load. Now, this is a very cold, not warm start, and it'll work better when we warm it up. So I'm going to let it spin a little bit and pick up some heat and friction. Then I'm going to press down. Voila, roll crimp. It looks just like that. Now if you use a paper top, it looks somewhat the same, except it says Ballistic Products. Very nice touch. Again, I'm going to go a little faster this time. You apply some arm pressure. And there we are, once again. These could be 3-inch hulls that you've cut down to 2 3/4 inch, or like the English, they go all the way down to 2 inches. They keep saving hulls and trimming them, and traditionally in England, a 2-inch load is just fine. We have plenty of them in our advantages manual. Same with the slug load. We've loaded the slug like that. We've got our powder in there and everything. We're ready to go. Snap it in. Looks like a factory slug.